Hey, what's going on, everyone? Welcome to Classic Tacos. Hope you're staying safe out there. Today, we're gonna do a quick install. I'm hoping to get this kind of old school grill badge up on the Prinsu rack. Kind of got an idea of where I want it. Let's see if I can. Kind of want it right there, right there, right there in that front corner. So we'll see if we can get this one in there today. I'm gonna maybe draw a little template and drill some holes. It should be pretty quick. I gotta do it before it starts raining. So just holding this here, I mean, it looks good. It's got a good quality. I would have minded if it had like some softer material back here, but it's not bad. I don't know what you get inside of this little kit here. You're just basically gonna thread this onto here, thread this onto here. Just to give you an idea. Those would have been better as locking nuts, but you know how it goes. Let's see if we can get a nice little template for this. So I'm using just a cardboard box I got lying around here. BoxyCharm. In case your wife gets any of these boxes, the cardboard isn't bad. So. Oh. Center that hole. And then center that hole. Perfect. Alright, cool. So that's our template. Not sure yet if I want red. I might just do red towards the outside. While we are waiting for the rain, I'm gonna get just a little bit of Loctite and call it. A little bit more came out of there than I wanted to, but it is an extremely old, small Loctite that I had to cut open, so. So while it's raining and we're waiting, these bolts are pretty long, so I'm gonna cut some off. But you know, our old trick is always if you have the nut, thread it down under where you're cutting, and that way when you roll it up, it will line up those threads. Take this, go back through, kind of align those threads back so that you can get the nut started again. Alright, so now we're cut. I'm gonna go find that nut I lost. Alright, so we're here, we were cutting. This top nut went flying off, so it just took me about 15 minutes to find it in the garage. But I'm gonna walk you over too to let you know where it is so you can kind of see. So it came all the way. Look at it! What are you doing over here? God. Alright, bring it back. Now, like I was trying to say before, once you cut with the nut on, when you put it back on, it makes it nice and easy. You don't have to fight all this like, terrible cuts and everything else. So, just makes it easy. Nice, nuts fit through there. Everything looks good. Put this guy on first, and then I'm gonna do washers. Alright, let's just scoop this out right here real quick. Ooh, I did dig that. Flush. Perfect. Alright. Just give you an idea of what it's gonna look like up on the truck there. Alright guys, we're done. Hope you enjoyed the video. Actually didn't work out too, it was pretty easy. Once you take it off, it would come right in. I did a little template and got it done. You can see it in the video. If you're a lot better with measuring than me, knock it out. But I don't think it looks bad. It kind of will, you can see it a little bit. And what I tried to do is you can see my bottom badge and the top one. I kind of tried to just align them a little bit, but I didn't want it to go too far in on that top one. So awesome. Hope you enjoy. Stay classy.